Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, April the 3rd, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8299. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 12 printed digits. Could be the hard one, could be an easy one, but the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 12, and it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. All right. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always one. I see here only one single box, always a one. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Here we have a dual box. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 2. More dual boxes? No. How about triple boxes? I see here triple box, there triple box. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left with 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left, a 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, all right. Here another triple box. Well, I cannot fill those. No, oh no. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5, the inside box, all right, 4 or a 5. All right, next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, the 1 and 3 is already given, so the 2 and the 4 are left. Let me mark those. More quadra boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape upside down. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. The T shape, only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. T-shirt. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one. This box has the same number as that box, so in this case it's a 4 here. And here another one. This box has the same number as that box, so in this case it's a 4 or a 5 here. Alright. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and therefore 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. So 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and 4. 3 to 4. 3 and a 4. Well, we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be definitely a 5. Is connected with that box, should be also a 5. All right. This box cannot be also a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. All right. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes. Well, I need to wait here. I need to wait. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. But also that box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. But it's not a solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. But we already have a 1 here in the same area. So not a solution to place the 1 there. The only place left the 1 should be here. Alright. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I need to wait here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Then this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. But also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 here. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Interesting. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. But also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then no one. This box cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here. But also that box can be a 1. We have a 1 here. And this box can be a 1. We have a 1 here. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay, and now it's not helping me here. 2 or 5. Yeah. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Come on. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 5. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2 is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 1 and 3. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Now we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 2. Alright. Yeah. 1. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be a 3. We have a double 3 there or double 3 here. Can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 and this triple box should be here, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there, and I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair, so 1 digit left in this area for number 4. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. Well, we have a double 1 there. I cannot place the 1 here. If I place the 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Not the solution, place the 1 there. Only place left 1 should be here. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a... No. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Then, let me see. This box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. But also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Well. Yeah, let me think. Come on. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. But we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 and more. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for those 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 digit left in this area for number 1. Then, this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Then, let me see. Come on. 1, 3, 5, 2 or a 4 here. Well, 1, 5, 1, 3, 4. Come on. Need a 1 here. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be so 2 and 4, but we already have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 2, is connected with that box, should be so 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. This box is connected with that box, should be so 2. Alright. Then this box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay, and now I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2, is connected with that box, should be so 2. And here I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Alright. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, these 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So and I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Alright. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1s in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. We go up. How about this? Well, 1 and a 3. 2 and a 4. Come on. Let me think. 4. Well. I'm stuck here. 1, 3. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be could be a 2. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Could be a 4. Can be a 5. 2 or a 4. Okay. This box can be 1. Can be 2. Can be 5. So 3 or a 4 is connected with that box. 3 or a 4. Okay. Well, this box can be 1, can be 2, can be 4, so 3 or a 5 is connected with that box, so 3 or 5, okay. I'm stuck. Oh, 1 and a 3, we already have a 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here and the 3 goes there, overlooked. These 3 boxes, well, I've marked this box with 3 or 4, we have a 3 now, so this box should be a 4, is connected with that box, should be also 4, and if I, 4, yes, I've marked this box with 2 or 4, we have a 4 now, so this box should be a 2, 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for us, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. I need a 1 here. 1, 3, 5. 3, 5, yeah. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 3, 5, and the 5 could be everywhere here. Well. 5. 2, 2, 2, 3, 5. What's happening? 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5. 3, 5 and a 1. 1 and a 5. 3, 5 and a 1. What's happening now? I've made a mistake maybe. 4, 4. Here, 3 or 5. Oh. 5, 5, 3. Well, try now, or 3 or 5. Overlooked something maybe. 3 or a 5. 1, 3 or a 5. Yeah. 1, 1, 1. 1. 1, 2, 3, 1 on the 5. Yeah. What's happening? Suppose this is a 5, and that box should be also a 5, and this should be a 3, and this can be a 3. Oh, then that box should be a 3, but we already have a 3 there. Yeah, so it can be a 3. This can be a 5. This should be a 3 then. Is connected with that box should be also 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Well, finish in 18 minutes. Well. Having troubles at the end, but we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We'll meet again we will meet again tomorrow. Yeah, on Thursday. So, bye-bye. And see you tomorrow.